Welcome to this YouTube channel. In this video, we're going to talk about how to lose weight faster. People want to lose weight for a variety of reasons, and many fall prey to fad diets that promise quick results. While there are certainly techniques to hasten your weight loss efforts, it's crucial to recognize that reducing pounds too quickly can actually backfire. Before continuing this video, like this video and subscribe to our channel for future updates. Safe, successful, and long-term weight loss, like so many other aspects of life, is more about the journey than a scale-based goal with a rapidly approaching deadline. Continue watching for expert advice on how to lose weight and keep it off. Number 10. Implement long-term lifestyle and behavior changes. Albertson recommends avoiding the word diet when trying to lose weight. Dieting can be unpleasant and make you hungry, causing you to think about the food all the time, which is the opposite of what you want while attempting to lose weight. Instead, she suggests thinking of weight loss as part of becoming healthier and putting your body's needs first. Weight reduction is hard, and you don't have complete control over the number on the scale, says Albertson. However, you do have complete control over what you eat, how much you walk, and other things that affect weight, such as stress and sleep. Setting smart, specific, measurable, attainable, relevant, and time-sensitive goals and rewarding yourself when you achieve them is something she recommends. Number 9. Concentrate on the first 5% to 10% of the population. Rather than declaring one need to lose 25 pounds and overwhelming yourself with what appears to be an unachievable goal, consider the health benefits that even minor weight loss can bring. Set smaller, more attainable goals, Bennett advises. Losing just 5% to 10% of your total body weight can significantly improve your health and reduce your risk of diseases like type 2 diabetes, stroke, cardiovascular diseases, and some types of cancer. Number 8. Limit your consumption of highly processed carbs and sweets. According to a research published in the Journal of the American Medical Association, the most essential factor in weight loss is what you consume. If you enhance the quality of the meals you eat, you will lose weight faster. Reducing your intake of sugar and quickly digested carbs is one of the best methods to lose weight, Bennett explains. You should avoid or substantially reduce your consumption of highly glycemic load items such as sugar snakes, processed carbohydrates, and soft drinks. You will lose weight faster if you avoid or limit French fries, chips, crackers, and other similar foods. Number 7. Increase your plant consumption. A plant-based diet not only improves weight loss, but it's also simpler to stick to than a low-calorie diet according to research. It's also nutrient-dense and has a long list of health advantages. Produce aids weight reduction because it's high in fiber and water, both of which are calorie-free, yet take up space in your stomach, making you feel full, Albertson explains. Indeed, a Brazilian study discovered a link between higher fruit and vegetable consumption and weight loss. Albertson recommends starting with 5 daily portions of produce and gradually increasing to 7 to 9 daily servings. Start your day with a green smoothie, lunch with a salad, or cut up vegetables, then snacks and desserts with fruits, she advises. At supper time, make additional stir fries. Add vegetables to pasta dishes and stir them into soups. Number 6. Increasing your protein intake can help you lose weight while also reducing your hunger. Eating roughly 25 to 30 grams of protein per meal, 2 scoops of protein powder, or 4 ounces of chicken breast can help you manage your weight. Dr. Albertson explains the easiest way to achieve it is to ensure that each meal includes 1 serving of high-quality protein. Women over 50, according to Albertson, require much more protein, 1 to 1.5 grams per kilogram of body weight per day, than men and women younger than 50, who require 8 grams of protein per kilogram of body weight daily. Women need extra protein after 50, especially as they approach menopause, she continues, since Estrogen deficiency causes a loss of skeletal muscle mass, strength, and regenerative ability. Number 5. Drink more water. Drinking more water has been linked to weight loss in studies that are independent of food and activity. Drinking plenty of water can help you feel full and fight sugar cravings. Water is also required for lipolysis, the process by which the body burns fat for energy. For a minimum water intake suggestion, I recommend following the 8x8 rule. 8 ounces of water 8 times throughout the day, says Jordan Murillo, a celebrity trainer in Florida who works for the fitness platform Sweet Factor. My customers are frequently shocked how much this simple action can suppress cravings and leave you more full throughout the day after they include this rule into their own routine. Is there another water trick? Before each meal, consume 2 cups of water. This simple move has also been demonstrated in studies to help with weight loss. Number 4. Eat a well-rounded breakfast. Listen up. Breakfast skippers. Skimping on morning fuel is not a good idea if you are attempting to lose weight. In fact, research suggests that skipping breakfast is linked to becoming overweight or obese. Furthermore, according to a study published in the Proceedings of the Nutrition Society, those who skip breakfast have inferior overall food quality and are deficient in minerals such as vitamin D, calcium, and iron. Number 3. Stand up and move more. Increasing your non-exercise activity thermogenesis, the energy expended for all activities other than eating, sleeping, and exercising, is one of the simplest methods to lose weight. Carrying your goods instead of pushing a cart, parking further away from the mall entrance, taking the stairs instead of the elevator, and even tapping your toe all add up to hundreds of calories burned. Alternatively, attempt to stand more often than you sit. According to studies, simply substituting standing for sitting results in a higher daily energy expenditure, which translates to more calorie burn and ultimately pounds lost. If you weigh 160 pounds and alternate sitting and standing every hour, you can burn an extra 35 calories every hour, or 280 calories per day, and 1,400 calories per week, and 70,000 calories per year. Set a timer on your phone, Fitbit, or computer every hour to remind you to get up and move about. Albertson advises you will burn more calories and potentially reduce your blood sugar and heart diseases risk. Number 2. Hit the weights. Muscle burns calories more efficiently than fat. So, how can you increase your muscular mass? Strength training is a good thing to do, not only because of the calories you will burn while exercising, but also because of the afterburn effects. Adding resistance training to your weight loss strategy is a good option. EPOC stands for Excess Post-Exercise Oxygen Consumption, and it measures how long oxygen uptake is elevated after exercise to aid muscle recovery, both during and after strength training sessions. This rise enhances metabolism, and the more muscle you get, the greater your resting metabolic rate will be. Your resting metabolic rate regulates how many calories your body requires to function. The higher your RMR, the more food you can consume without gaining weight. While aerobic activity is generally emphasized, strength training is critical for losing weight and maintaining weight reduction, especially after the age of 50, since muscle mass, which burns calories, declines at a rate of 1 to 2% each year. Albertson explains, Strengthen Future provides you with a seamless fitness ecosystem to help you get the most out of your activities. The program pairs you with a personal trainer who designs your routines, contacts you on a daily basis, and keeps you motivated to stay on track. Number 1. Don't go overboard. When it comes to weight loss, cutting calories too dramatically or working out 24 hours a day may backfire. Most individuals believe that losing weight necessitates extreme tactics, but allowing yourself ample recovery time is more beneficial. According to Darren Borrow, during the anabolic phase, the body creates muscle mass and eliminates fat mass while recovering from the stressor. So instead of pushing yourself to the limit, which leads to overtraining and poor outcomes, invest the same amount of energy in relaxation and nutrition as you do in workouts. What do you think about this video? Do let us know down in the comment section below. If you enjoyed this video and want to hear from us again, be sure to hit that subscribe button before you go.